Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. Today is an interesting video regarding how to convert your YouTube videos into a research paper. So in this we are going to take a technical YouTube video and we are going to convert it as a research paper. So we are going to explore that same kind of prompt in 3 of the AI tools. So the 3 of the AI tools has different databases. So let us see how it will generate research paper content for us. So and how to make use of that research paper content for our research paper writing. Let us go on to today's video and explore today's concept. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an MATLAB workshop from basics to advanced application. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different MATLAB basic syntax and codes for your programming, and also we are going to make 2D and 3D plotting in MATLAB, and then we are going to explore different types of toolbox, that is neural network, fuzzy logic and ANFIS toolbox in MATLAB, and then we are going to make a live PID tuning controller so to get desired output for our for your applications. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. If you are interested in electric vehicle charging station design, so here is a opportunity for you. This is a live MATLAB workshop, EV charging station with PV and wind energy sources. In this workshop, we are going to model PV and wind energy as sources with the different types of maximum power point tracking algorithms. So in this we are going to grasp maximum amount of energy from that renewable energy sources, and then we are going to incorporate it with our EV charging station. All this can be done in this MATLAB. So make use of this option to learn more about EV charging station design in MATLAB. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video. So our today's video is to how to convert our YouTube videos into a that is research paper. So in order to do so, I am going to our site, that LMS solution. So here you can see different types of projects related with MATLAB available, and also renewable energy system. So here you can see that these are the different topics are available. So MATLAB implementation of grid connected PV wind with battery system. So like that it is having different types of algorithms. So for example, I am going to select this one. This is a horse head optimization tuned PA controller of STATCOM for voltage regulation. For example, if you want to convert this YouTube video into a research paper, if you came across this YouTube videos and if you are listening this YouTube video, so if you find this YouTube video is interesting and it's technically strong, so you want to convert it as a research paper, so you can do using our AI tools. So just click on that horse head optimization algorithm. So after that you can listen here. So this is all the things are detailedly explained in this particular video, so you can get an idea. So what you have to do is, so click on the more option. So here you can have an option called transcript. So click on show transcript. So here you can see that the explanation of this particular video will be given here. So after that what you can see is, here you can click here toggle timestamps. So click on toggle timestamps. So after that what you can do is, so you can copy this all the content, that is transcript. So what you can do is, you can paste here. So after that what you can do is, so give an input prompt. This prompt is very, very important. So in this prompt, from the above YouTube transcript, convert them into a detailed research paper in the title. So here you can see in the title. So here you can copy the same title also, horse head optimization tuned PA controller of STATCOM for voltage regulation. So here I am going to copy the same title, so paste here. So after that, this is very important, explain each section elaborately starting from abstract keywords up to conclusion with necessary equations, and also explain each section elaborately. So like that I am going to give an input prompt. So let us see how it will generate content for us. So here you can see that our research paper is automated. It is started to generate it. So Horsehead optimization tuned PA controller of STATCOM for voltage regulation. So it will take time. So here you can see our abstract is generated. This paper presents an innovative approach to voltage regulation in power system using a static synchronous compensator with its PA controller tuned via 𝐻𝐻O. Here you can see that introduction part. After that you can see this is system model and problem formulation. So next one is, that is our proposed algorithm, Horsehead optimization algorithm, the implementation part. Next you can see that simulation model and results. So what is happening in results and discussions? So what is happening in results and discussions? So like that you will get a report, that is detailed explanation of that video in as a research paper. So after that, if you want the detailed explanation of each section, so what you can do is, so you can ask explain from the above chat, explain the step by step algorithm for Horsehead optimization with necessary equations. So like that you can give an input prompt here. So after you have given an input prompt like this, so it will generate a step by step algorithm. So here you can see this is initialization. So here you can see that, so the parameter initialization and generate initial population. After that, step 2 evaluation. Here you can see next one is step 3, update velocities and positions of that particular values, that is horse. So after that you can get the necessary equations related to that particular algorithm. So like that what you can do is, you can ask each that is section wise explanation of this each topic you have given. So you cannot copy and paste the same thing as it is generated by AI. Just you want to customize according to it need. So the only important thing in this type of conversion is that it will minimize the work for you. So it will give you a basic structure for you. So thereby you can create your research paper very easily. So and simple also. So make use of this option. So again we will try the same prompt with Gemini AI and Googlebard. So in order to do so, I am going to copy that transcript again, or else you can copy it from Chatgpt also. So here you can see this is the transcript. Next go to Googlebard. So here copy and paste the same thing and then click enter. So let us see how Googlebard give answer for that particular YouTube video conversion into a research paper. So it will take time to generate. So in meantime, so here our content is started to generate it. Here you can see. So it is somewhat different: abstract keywords, introduction, 𝐻𝐻O algorithm, explanation. Next you can see PA tuning with 𝐻𝐻O, objective function. Here you can have code also. So next optimization process, how it will optimization. Next simulation and results, simulation setup, results, conclusion, etc. So this is also giving a better results only. So you can get a simple structure of the particular research paper. So after that I am going to do that same with Claude AI. So what you can do is copy and paste the Claude AI. So and then click enter. So the pasted content is converted into a that is, here you can see that here is a detailed research paper on horse head optimization is generating. Yes, abstract is started to generate. So it will take several seconds to generate all the content. So a brief explanation only is generated. Here you can see it is generating the outline. So just an outline of the paper: introduction, system modeling, problem formulation, next details of bio inspired horse head optimization, results and discussion, and then the last will be conclusion. So this is how Claude is generating. So like that, all the three is one of the best chatbots in the market. So you can explore it with these three chatbots. So like that you can convert that YouTube videos into a easy research paper. So but the only thing is that you have to add content. You can get the section wise elaborated content. So after giving each prompt again and again, so I want detailed explanation of this section, like that you can give in all of the chatbot. All the chatbot will generate answer. So whenever you come across any YouTube videos, so if you feel that that YouTube video is very helpful for make you to research paper, so use this kind of option, use this kind of technique to convert that YouTube videos into a research paper. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.